Hi folks, welcome to the channel. It's probably the wind stillest day I've had today, and for those of you that follow me on the Facebook group, you know that I'm in search of batteries, particularly for this helicopter. It's got a fairly short nose, well, not really so much. It's got a fairly big tail, and that's upsetting the CG quite a bit. So I think Flywing has made this just a fraction longer so they can put that 5000 battery in the front. I've had to put 3 pen lights in the front just to get it nice. With my 3000 it's a fraction tail heavy, but very minor. But today I'm flying with my 5000, and I'll see if I can demonstrate this. The 5000 and the CG is pretty spot on. So I know it will add extra weight, obviously, so I haven't changed any settings. Just gonna leave it as is from yesterday's flight, which was very successful. As usual, I fly in ATI mode. I don't know why I keep repeating myself, but maybe it'll drum in at some point. So we have GPS. I'm going to rotate her quickly. Up, up. And we still have GPS. Put her nice and flat. And into ATI mode. And yeah, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And run. So if she flies anything like she did yesterday with the 5000, then basically that's a battery I can use. So you'll see me a lot in the videos doing this sort of blipping. What I'm basically doing is I'm just checking that the heli is stable, reacting the way I want it to react. But for what I can see, she seems to be handling the extra weight okay without any changes. So let me give myself some space and let's fly. Always scared that I hit that tree there. Okay, seems like she's okay with this weight. Not really a drama. Not really a drama. Let's give her a full speed run. So I'll take it down there. Let's turn around. And here we go. Certainly fast enough. Not that it's a speed demon. Of course we want to fly a bit scale. Let's try GPS. And here we go. GPS mode. Seems alright, eh? And back to ATI. Well, it doesn't seem to like she's got any adverse effects from the extra weight. Certainly still flies nicely. Wonder how the climb out is. What a beautiful machine, actually. Very nice. I really like it. I don't mind the tail noise so much. I don't mind if I only get 10-12 minutes out of this battery. I only fly for 8 anyway, so it's really not a train smash. There's a GPS for you, and back to Atty. Okay, well, 10 minutes, okay, so a good 8, I can live with that.